Before getting to our workshop, I would like to catch your attention in order to make it easy for you to deal with the official documentation of Ldaprecord about two menu, and only two menu. If you click on Get Started and we go to Laravel because it's our meta, so please notice that for the whole work we are going to focus and only on the introduction, all right? And for this menu we are going to talk about both menu, all right? I do it again. We are going to talk about this menu and that one, and only that one. I mean, for an easy connection or a smooth and simple connection, we are only going to use only those menu for the moment. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing we should do, it's to create a project. Okay, so we go to XAMPP htdocs and we are going to create a new project like that, and we call it Ldaprecord 23. All right, okay, once we finish creating our project, we should go in it and we call it Ldaprecord 23. All right, okay, I'm going to copy it and then we go inside it. All right, so now I'm going to the official documentation of Ldaprecord, and then we said that we go to the installation and we should copy this. If I do this, you will notice that there is an error which will appear here. Okay, you will face this error, and how to counter this error, it's simply go to your project here, Ldaprecord 23, and then you should delete this file, composer lock. All right, this file we should delete it like this. All right, once we've done, we do it again and we launch. Okay, lovely. Now we go to configuration and we are going to run this command to publish our configuration file. Okay, so we go here and paste this command and run it. We copy, then you copy this line and put it in .env, the file .env. So we go here and then we open our folder here, Ldaprecord 23. Okay, nice. So we go to, we should paste our line here. Okay, so I save and then did we do all things here? Okay, so we have finished running this command in this menu. So I said that we did use this menu, okay, here, and we have run this installation and then the configuration. Okay, in the next video we are going to deal with only this menu. All right guys, so see you later. Thank you.